Your job involves handling conversations all day, every day. Queries, chats, follow-ups, non-stop. But it becomes more challenging when every interaction needs to feel personal. Sometimes, after hours of focus, you even blank out. What used to take 5 minutes? Now it drags into 15, just to find the right words and recover your flow. Meanwhile, the queue of unread conversations, it just keeps piling up. What if you had a response companion, one who thinks with you when you're stuck, suggests better responses, rephrases for clarity, and makes your messages friendly, professional, and tailored, just the way you need? Basically, a second brain to support your telephony tasks in real time. That's exactly what AI Assist in KrispCall is built for. To be your go-to AI compadre right in the inbox. Here's how you use it to save time and keep every response just the way you wanted, step by step. Log into your KrispCall account and click on the number. Filter your logs to only unread and start your task by clicking on the conversation. This is your inbox, also called KrispCall's Unified Call Box. And here is AI Assist, right in your response box where you type your messages. Now, after reading the message, click on AI Assist. Without any text in the response box, only Suggest a Response is available. Click on it. You'll get a few suggestions. Select any one of them. Then either send it, edit it yourself, or click AI Assist to personalize it even further. Click on Rephrase My Message to get more options and select the one you prefer. Or again, click on Make It More Friendly to receive more options. If you need a professional response instead, then click on Make It More Professional. To make the same response longer, click on Expand My Message. And if you want a shorter response, click on Shorten My Message. Pick your best option. Modify it further on your own if you want, and then send. That's how you use AI Assist in KrispCall to reply faster, stay sharp, and personalize every response in clicks with multiple options to select from. Visit KrispCall.com to get started or book a demo today.